What's up, everyone? It's 8:30 in the morning here in Czech Republic, and it's still kind of dark outside, and it's a public holiday here. So I decided to take a few days off and go on a short trip to London to meet my friends. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and I thought I could do something different for YouTube this time and take you guys with me. So yeah, let's go. Yes, so just landed here at the London Stansted Airport. I'm waiting in the train station to go to the place where I live in London. It's around 40 minutes from the airport. I was planning to do a checkup in Prague Airport, but I was quite short on time. I reached exactly on time for my plane, so I couldn't do anything. So yeah, the ride was shorter than I expected, but the airport is awesome, and the train station is right below the airport. It's quite cool. Let me show you guys. There's the Stansted Airport. There's a train waiting right there, and I'm planning to go.
എന്തായി now?
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, day one in London. Planning to go to the London Eye and take a tour to River Thames. So yeah, it's a beautiful day here. It's sunny. Just going to the London Eye. Thank you. Day 3 here in London. The weather is typical UK weather, grayed out, as you can see. Yeah, I'm planning to drop by IBM office today just to see how it looks like. And yeah, there's a kid over there that's making noise. Yeah, maybe go to Buckingham Palace. Just roam around London basically. So let's see how today's goes. Okay, I just came out of the office. I couldn't take the camera inside, it's not allowed. So I'm in South Bank, London, beautiful part of London. It's pretty rich, a lot of concrete jungles around here. I went to both the IBM offices. They have like 2 offices over here. Heading towards Buckingham Palace now, because I got nothing better to do. Buckingham Palace. See, so that's the palace right there. Hi. So I'm here at the Buckingham Palace. You can see it right behind me. I always wanted to come here since I moved to Europe. Now that I'm seeing it in real, it's not that amazing architecture-wise. I have seen better ones, but it's not about the architecture, right? It's about the significance to UK and its Queen. So yeah, pretty special to be here, and yeah, just enjoying the view. What's up, guys? This is my last day in London, and I was actually supposed to leave yesterday, and I missed my flight. Over the last 4 to 5 years of traveling around Europe, this was my first ever experience of missing a flight. My airplane decided to depart early for some reason, and I didn't make it to the airport. Yeah, you can hear the announcement. Okay, that's not for me. At least they did this for this airplane. I didn't even get this announcement. It just left. So long story short, I had to catch flights back to Prague, and it was after 12 hours, and I've been in the airport for the past 12 hours. You can probably tell from my face I'm awfully tired, and my voice is not that great. So instead of whining about the whole situation, I decided to just accept the reality and just do the next best thing. So I booked the very next flight, even though it cost me a little, and took the opportunity to actually finish this book. So this was an unexpected thing that happened to my whole London trip, and yeah, hopefully the first and last. I'll see you guys. Thanks for hopping in.